Hey guys, welcome back to So Finessa Couponing. We are 25. These will mainly be all paper scenarios. So if you have those paper coupons, get them ready. Thank you for getting me to over 800 subscribers. Get me up to 1K and we will do an insert giveaway. So let's get in here and get these deals started. Alright guys, the first item we're going to grab for these deals is going to be for the Crest 3D Whites. We're going to grab 4 of these. Alright guys, the next item we're going to grab are going to be 3 of the Purina Cat Chow Naturals. We're going to grab 3 of these. They are $5.75 a piece. Alright guys, and the last item we're going to grab is going to be a Gain liquid laundry detergent. They're on sale this week for $3.95. We're going to grab 1 of these. Alright guys, here's a brief overview of everything that we have in our cart. We have for the Crest 3D Whites, they're $1 a piece. We're going to use a $3 off of 1 Crest 3D. We have 3 of the Purina Cat Chow Naturals. They are $5.75. We're going to use 3 of the, say, $1.50 off of 1 coupons. Then we also have 1 Gain liquid laundry detergent. They are on sale this week for $3.95. We're going to use a $1 off of 1 Gain liquid. And we're also going to use our paper 5 off of 25 this week, just so I don't have to put a phone number in. So let's get up to the register and see how this goes. 18. Alright guys, here's our second scenario. First thing we're going to grab is going to be 4 of the Crest 3D Whites. We're going to grab 4 of these. Alright guys, the next item we're going to grab is going to be 2 of the Gain liquid laundry detergent. They're on sale this week for $3.95. We're going to grab 2 of these. The next item we're going to grab are going to be 2 of the Gain Fireworks. They're also on sale this week for $3.95. We're going to grab 2 of these. Alright guys, the next item we're going to grab are going to be 2 of the Gain laundry detergent sheets. Dryer sheets. They're $3 a piece. We're going to grab 2 of these. Alright guys, here's a brief overview of everything that we have in our cart. We have 2 of the Gain Fireworks. They're $3.95. We're going to use 2 of the $1 off coupons on those. We have 2 of the Gain Dryer Sheets. They're $3 a piece. We're going to use our $1 off of 1 on those. We're going to use 2 of those. We have 4 of the Crest 3D Whites. We're going to use our $3 off of 1 on those. They're $1 a piece. And then we have 2 of our Gain liquid laundry detergents. They are on sale this week for $3.95. We are going to use our $1 off of 1 on those. And also our 5 off of 25.
My